Tonight, in this week's tax savings segment, we talk about reducing your tax payments from last year.
Welcome to Tax Savings and IRA Planning with Eric Scott. Joining me now is Eric Scott. I'm Trina Cobley. And last week you had mentioned that there are some areas that you can help us reduce your taxes for the last year. Can you kind of give us an example of that?
I can. You know, we've learned a long time ago that in these tax books, there's things we can look at for last year and this year. And there's two groups of people that really fall into here. One is those who are currently working that have wages and income, and those who are retired. We're going to talk about just a minute about those who are currently working and have an income. And in the Internal Revenue Code tax book is IRAs. You have till April 15th to make deductions into IRAs for 2008 or for last year. Now, in doing that, that can help you save taxes, but also have money in the future for retirement years for you.
So even though it's currently 2009, you can still make contributions up till April that will count for 2008.
That's correct. Wow. And let me give you what those contribution limits are and so forth. IRA contribution limits under the age of 50, you can contribute $5,000 still for last year. But if you're over 50, you're 51 or older, and you're still working up to age 70, they can contribute $6,000. Okay? So there's a big difference. They kind of give you a little bit of extra. And then one of the things that's important to understand is called a phase-out for deducting IRA contributions. So if you're married and filing jointly, between $85,000 and $105,000 of adjusted gross income, there's a phase-out. In other words, you can't do as much. And if you're single, the phase-out is $53,000 to $63,000 of adjusted gross income. So you have to be aware of what your adjusted gross income is and what age you are to determine how much you can contribute.
So, I mean, those are a lot of numbers. People are always looking for deductions.
Yes.
If people do have questions on those limits because maybe they forgot to write them down, how can we contact you?
They can contact my office for free consultation at 773-9444.
And again, that is Eric Scott Financial. And thank you so much for that information. We look forward to next Thursday on KCSG News at 9 for more tax savings and IRA tips. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you.